Welcome back to Tech Logics, the channel where we bring you the best DIY electronics tutorials and real tech insights that actually work. If you love building, learning, and creating, you're exactly where you need to be. In the previous video we installed Raspberry Pi OS headlessly on our Raspberry Pi Zero 2W with SSH and Wi-Fi already configured. Today, in part 2, we're setting up the popular 3.5-inch ILI9486 LCD touchscreen display, the 480 by 320 pixel version that uses SPI and is perfect for portable projects. By the end of this video, your screen will be up and running and showing beautiful text, ready for your next project. Here's what you'll need: a Raspberry Pi Zero 2W, a microSD card with Raspberry Pi OS already installed, the 3.5-inch ILI9486 TFT touchscreen LCD, 480 by 320, SSH access to your Pi, a good 5V power supply. First, completely power off your Raspberry Pi. Insert the microSD card with Raspberry Pi OS into the Pi's slot if it's not already there. Next, take the 3.5-inch display and carefully connect it to the 40-pin GPIO header. Make sure pin 1 lines up with pin 1, it only fits one way. Gently push it down until it's fully seated. That's all the hardware you need to do. Now plug the power supply back in. The white backlight should turn on right away. That's a great sign the connection is correct. Give it about a minute to fully boot up. The screen might stay blank for now, but don't worry, we'll install the driver next and everything will light up perfectly. Let's jump into the terminal and get this beautiful ILI9486 display working. Open your SSH terminal. You can use PuTTY on Windows or the built-in terminal on Mac or Linux. Log in with the username and password you created in the previous video. In this tutorial, our username is admin and the password is password123. To connect, type the following command and press enter. SSH admin at 192.168.1.33. Important: replace 192.168.1.33 with your Raspberry Pi's actual IP address. You can find it using an IP scanner app or your router's device list. After hitting enter, the terminal will ask for the password. Type password 123, or your own password, and press enter. Note that nothing appears on the screen while typing the password. That's completely normal. Once the password is accepted, you'll see the Raspberry Pi command line and you're ready to install the 3.5-inch ILI9486 display driver. Let's continue. First, before we install any display driver, it's always a good idea to make sure our Raspberry Pi is completely up to date. This keeps everything secure and ensures the new driver will work without any problems. So let's refresh the package list and upgrade everything. In your SSH terminal, type the following command and press enter. Sudo apt update. This grabs the latest list of available software. When it finishes, run the second command. Sudo apt full upgrade y. This one installs all the latest updates and patches. On the Pi Zero 2W, it usually takes around 3 to 5 minutes, sometimes a bit longer depending on your internet speed, so grab a coffee and let it do its thing. Once the upgrade is completely finished and you're back at the command prompt, it's best to reboot the Pi so all the new updates take effect properly. Just type sudo reboot. Your SSH session will disconnect, and the Pi will restart. That's totally normal. After about a minute, the Pi will be back online. Just reconnect using SSH the same way as before, and when you log in again, you'll have a fresh, fully updated system ready for the 3.5-inch ILI9486 display driver. We're all set for the next step. Now let's install the correct driver for our 3.5-inch ILI9486 touchscreen. It takes just 6 simple commands. Just copy this entire block of codes, paste it into your SSH terminal, and press enter. It will run everything automatically. Note, all the commands and step-by-step details are in the blog post. The link is in the video description, make sure to check it out. These command does everything: removes any old driver, downloads the latest goodtft ILI9486 driver, and installs it perfectly for the 3.5-inch 480 by 320 touchscreen. Your Pi will reboot by itself. When it comes back, about 60 seconds, your beautiful new display will be fully working. Ready for the demo text next. Right now you should already see the Raspberry Pi welcome screen or desktop beautifully displayed on your new 3.5-inch LCD. Awesome job so far. Just to double check that the second Framebuffer for our touchscreen is active, let's quickly verify it. Type this single command and press enter. ls/dev/fb*. You should see two lines, something like above this. If you see /dev/fb1 listed, just like I do on screen, that means the ILI9486 driver is perfectly installed and the touchscreen Framebuffer is ready. Everything is working exactly as it should. To give your user permission to write directly to the LCD Framebuffer, /dev/fb1, run this single command. sudo usermod gvideoadmin. Now let's install the minimal dependencies we need for our colorful text demo. Run these two commands one after the other. Sudo apt install ypython3 pip. pip3 install user pygame == 2.6.1. The first command installs the Python package manager, and the second one installs Pygame version 2.6.1. This exact version works perfectly with the ILI9486 Framebuffer on the Pi 02W. To get a nice clean black screen at boot, perfect for our demo and future projects, let's quickly disable the Raspberry Pi splash screen and boot text. Just run sudo raspyconfig. Use your arrow keys to select one system options, press enter, then choose S1 splash screen, press enter again, select no, and press enter. Now arrow all the way down to finish, press enter, and if it asks to reboot, just choose yes. Your Pi will restart in about 30 seconds and come back with a completely clean black screen at boot, perfect for our demo. Once it's back up, log in again with SSH, and we'll create the colorful text demo right away. Now let's create a super simple, colorful text demo that looks amazing on the 3.5-inch screen. Type this command to create the file. nano/lcd_demo. py. Now copy and paste the entire script below. Full code will be in the description and blog. Once you pate the code into that file, press Ctrl+O, enter to save, then Ctrl+X to exit. Now make it executable and run it. chmod +x/lcd_demo. py. Python 3/lcd_demo. py. Boom! Your beautiful 3.5-inch screen is now showing bright, colorful text, proof that everything is 100% working. To stop the demo anytime, just press Ctrl+C. That's it, your ILI9486 touchscreen is fully ready for games, dashboards, clocks, or anything you want to build next. Be sure to check out the other parts of this video series. In the upcoming episodes, we'll show you how to auto-run this demo script on every boot, display live network ping stats, monitor WordPress post status, build a real-time stock market ticker, show your YouTube subscriber count, and tons of other awesome projects. If this video helped you, we'd really appreciate your support. Please smash the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe with the bell on. Every like and subscription motivates us to keep creating high-quality content just for you. Thank you for being part of the Tech Logics community. See you in the next one.